Hey there, this is Matt out here at Elite Auto Sales in Wichita, Kansas, located at the corner of Kellogg and Edgemore, 5505 East Kellogg Drive. And today we're looking at the Lincoln MKX. This bad boy is a 2017, 84,000 miles, and price to sell. I mean, look at this. Tell me this doesn't just scream luxury. Yeah, I know my camera works awful, but it's got the blind spot monitoring system. It's got memory seats. It's got air conditioned seats. It's got heated seats. It's got heated steering wheel, navigation. You can connect your phone to it. The shifter's right here, which is, I mean, that's pretty. It's unique. I'm gonna give it that. It is definitely unique. You got some buttons up over here. You got your sunroof here. It does have the panoramic, beautiful sunroof. It's got the garage door openers right there. It's leather seats throughout. Tell me that there ain't a thing that this thing don't have, okay? Except for you. It is missing you. So come on down and see us at Elite Auto Sales. Make sure you ask for Matt. Let's check out the exterior. Dun, 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 dun. Now let's just pretend I actually did my job editing this correctly and put in some like really cool action music here. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Back seats in great condition, even heated seats for your kids. Cigarette lighter and USB ports so they can keep their devices charged, so they can be entertained, so they ain't bugging you during the drive. So that's what's really important, right? Power liftgate. But that's not even the coolest thing about this vehicle. So you got little Timmy sitting in the back seat, right? And little Timmy just will not get out of the car. That's all right. Little Timmy, I said get out of the car right now. Oh, I hope he got out of the way. You too, Susie. So make sure your kids are out of the way before you push those buttons. And down up under here, you got your net, your wheel tire, your wheel lock key tool, and your spare tire, and a funnel. I know, lovely. It's got remote start too. 5505 East Kellogg Drive. Come down and see us. We'll see you soon.